In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a permanent Google Meet link. Have you ever wanted to set up a recurring meeting with a link that stays the same, making it easily accessible for everyone involved? You're in the right place. To begin, we'll start by navigating to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening up your web browser and heading over to calendar.google.com. It's the go-to platform to manage your schedule and, in this case, create a consistent meeting environment using Google Meet. Once you're there, the next step is to create a new meeting invite. This is the backbone of our recurring Meet link, so click on the Create button, usually located on the top left corner of your screen. Fill in the necessary details such as the meeting title and the time. Now, since we want a permanent link, we're going to adjust the repeat settings. You'll notice an option labeled Does Not Repeat. Click on that. This is an important part because by default, events don't repeat. However, we want this meeting link to be consistently available, so the next step is to set it to recur daily. Select Daily from the options provided. This ensures that your event, and by extension, your Google Meet link, will be the same day after day. It's perfect for routine meetings or check-ins that occur every day. Once you've set the meeting to daily, all that's left is to finalize and save your settings. Click on the Save button to lock in your changes. Doing this confirms the creation of the event series with your newly minted permanent Google Meet link. And there you have it. You've turned a basic meeting invite into a permanent link generator for daily use. Finally, just one more thing. Be sure to invite your attendees by clicking on Send. This dispatches the invitation to everyone involved and ensures that they have access to the ongoing meeting link you created. And with that final click, you're done. Creating a permanent Google Meet link doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple steps, you've set up a single, unchanging link that can streamline your daily meetings and make communication that much easier. So the next time you need a steady, virtual space to connect, you'll know just what to do. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.